Hey guys, Dr. Dave here reporting live from Rugged Dad headquarters. Just got some new beard supplies. I want to do a little unboxing for you because I'm actually going to be doing a video commercial for these guys. And so I wanted to do this for you before I'd film the commercials. And see, beard products. I have to do things to take care of this luxurious red and gray mane of mine, and so I'm constantly on the search for new beard products. So let me show you what I got. First of all, it came in this cool little box, and look, wrapping stuff. Now, I know some of you are saying, why is Rugged Dad amazed with this wrapping stuff in the cool box? Well, here's why. Because I love playing with this stuff, and it's really good for starting fires with. And so I really, really do love this packing stuff. It's pretty cool. And so let's see what's in the box besides the packing stuff. So let's see what we got here. All right. Oh, first, let me tell you another thing. This is from Chivalry Men's Products. And so Amazon, that's where you buy this stuff. I bought the whole kit. And so you can buy things individual if you don't need all the products. I like to always buy the whole kit just to see what's in there. So here we go. Chivalry Men's Products, Aloe Plus Hemp Beard Wash. And this is the Rain scent, which goes well with the Chivalry logo and everything. There we go. And so, yeah, normal ingredients. Let's see, a decent best before date. Gives me some time to use it up, although, you know, with all of this, it's going to get used up in good time. Normal ingredients here, I mean, I'm seeing aloe vera gel, hemp seed oil, all the good stuff that the squirrels really enjoy when I wash it into the beard. So that's the beard wash for you. Came in the box with the kit. We've got beard oil, casino scent. You know what? I don't even, let's see. Not too bad. Let's see. Well, that's pretty nice. I actually like that. Rub that beard oil in. So we got some casino scent beard oil. Now, this is actually the first beard oil I've had in a little spray type bottle. And so all the ones I've had before were in droppers. And I'll be honest with you, most of the time the droppers were cheap and got nasty real quick. And so this is pretty nice. I really like this. And let's see, lots of seed oils and stuff. But man, I'm really smelling that casino scent now in the beard. That's pretty nice. I like that. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, we got a beard brush. Let me bust this sucker open out of the plastic here. A beard brush. There we go. Nice logo on there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Rub hard, you get a little massage there. The squirrels love that. Yeah, there's about 15 squirrels live in the beard here, and they love it when I take care of their home. All right, so here we go. Here's another brush. This is a soft bristle beard brush. I really enjoy these. I use these all the time. And actually, I said brush with this one. Some of y'all are saying, dude doesn't know a brush from a comb. And I got confused because when I looked down, I saw this. And so we got the beard comb, also with a nice little finger grip there. That's good if you need to use it for a weapon, you know. And here, the beard soft bristle brush. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see what else in the kit. All right, mustache wax. Now, this is something I haven't messed with in a long time. I got to be honest with you. I used to have a nice little handlebar going, and I haven't done that in a long time, so I may do that again and try out this mustache wax. Let's see what it looks like. Nice. It's got an unscrew lid instead of a pop-off. That way, if you're keeping it in the, I don't know, in your truck, in your pocket, and you go bag, anything like that, you don't have to worry about the lid popping off. That way, if it gets too hot, gets a little melty, it's not going to just start oozing out into your bag or whatever. But, oh, sorry, back on camera. And so let's let the focus grab it there. And so that is the mustache wax. To try that out. And, ooh, mystery box. Let's see what's in the mystery box. Oh, beard butter scent. All right, this is the first time I've ever run into this. All right, so I've tried a lot of different beard butters and stuff over the years. And I have never, ever seen this before. This is actually a sample pack of all the different beard butters. This is pretty awesome. So we've got the casino scent, which I already let you know I like pretty good. The crown, the gold, the king, lucky, the rain, which is also the scent on the beard wash, and the wealth scent. And I'm checking out the ingredients list right here. I'm not seeing anything crazy. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of fruit and seed extracts, shea butter, that kind of thing. Let's see, mango seed butter. That's an interesting one. That's probably in one of those scents. I'll have to check it out and see which one. So I've got all the different trial scents and also a beard wash soap. And that is pretty awesome. Like I say, I've bought beard butter before. Man, it usually comes in a big tub, much bigger even than this mustache wax tub. And so this is pretty cool. I get to try out some different ones and see what I like best. And that way, when I reorder, I will get exactly the scent I want, or I'll know how to change it up some. But this is the kit. Let me go ahead and pan down here. I'm sorry, you just accidentally saw the back of my hand. But here's the kit. So we got the beard wash, the beard oil, mustache wax, packing stuff. We've got the soft bristle brush, the aforementioned comb. Flip it over, you can see the logo there. And of course, the beard butter sample pack. Pretty awesome from Chivalry Beard Products, Chivalry Men's Products. And so I really like it. I look forward to trying this stuff. And let me know what you think if you order some. There's a lot of crap stuff on Amazon and that people are just reselling. And so I'm actually really looking forward to this one. And that way, I mean, it's already, I gotta be honest, I wish you could smell what my beard smells like right now, because that casino scent is pretty nice. I'm gonna have to see what my wife thinks about it. All right, so this is Dr. Dave signing out of Rugged Dad Headquarters. We will talk to you later. Y'all take care. Oh, yeah. Nice.